Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove or manage your notification on Snapchat. If you are tired of constant pings and just want to take a break, stick around because I've got you covered. First thing first, open up your Snapchat on your phone and make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you are in, tap onto your profile icon in the top left corner of your screen to access your account settings. Tap onto the gear icon in the top right corner to open your Snapchat setting. Now scroll down until you find the notification section. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to turning notification on or off. To turn off notification for a specific type, just toggle it off. For example, if you are tired of hearing from chat notification, you can disable that. Same goes for Snap, Stories, or even friend suggestion. If you want to stop notification for just specific people or group, you can also mute notification. For instance, if a friend is sending you tons of messages but you don't want to block them, you can mute their notification without unfriending them. If you want to go a step further and stop the sound and vibration, you can do that here too. Just toggle off sound and vibration to make sure you don't hear a thing when you get a new notification. And that's it. You have now successfully removed or managed your Snap notification, whether it's turning off notification of a specific chat or muting everything for a while. You are in control of your notification now. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.